Stop wasting hours making 3D assets from scratch. I'm building Atomisol and I need everything from tiny twigs to ridiculous 3D cows. So let me show you how I turn one image into a game-ready model fast with AI. If you're building a game, you know this pain. You need a tank, a building, maybe a 3D cow, and somehow a simple idea turns into hours of cleanup. Bad topology, messy UVs, heavy meshes, endless fixing. That is why Tripo Studio caught my attention. More than 6.5 million people are already using Tripo, and the newest update solves two problems at once. HD Model H3.1 for high-detail hero assets, and Smart Mesh for fast, clean, low-poly models built for real-time projects. I am building Atomisol, so I need tanks, buildings, props, and sometimes funny stuff that gives the game personality. So let's do the cow. Concept to game asset, and if I want, I can even 3D print it later. HD Model H3.1 is for detailed assets, hero props, close-up renders, anything that needs strong geometry and PBR-ready detail. Smart Mesh gives you low-poly white models with around 5,000 faces, no textures, structured geometry that drops straight into games, web apps, and AR pipelines. In Atomisol, I could use Smart Mesh to quickly generate base models like tanks, barracks, towers, and crates. Then for assets that need to look better up close, I switch to HD Model H3.1 and push the detail further. For the cow, I start with Tripo's image generation module, build the reference right inside the platform, and send it straight into 3D. There is also multi-view generation, which is huge when you only have one image. Tripo generates multiple perspectives to keep the model consistent, so you do not get a great front and a guest back. Inside Tripo Studio, you get a full workspace, 4K texture engine, segmentation to split complex structures into separate components, retopology to clean and optimize meshes, universal auto-rigging for bipeds, quadrupeds, flying creatures, over 100 mocap quality animations, and lock frame export to freeze any pose and export it as a static model. So yes, funny cow pose for a print, totally possible. From text or image to 3D, multi-view generation, 4K textures, segmentation, retopo, auto-rigging. It covers a huge part of the workflow that usually eats your time. Check the link and code in the description for extra credits and a special discount. Subscribe, drop a comment with how you would use this in your own project, and I will see you in the next one.